Hi everyone. UPS just got here and I now have the new bar for the Cord King Firewood processor. So we're going to open it up and check it out, make sure that it's okay, and we're going to go install it. Get the packing slip. Now I'm just going to check the part number against the old bar, and it is exactly the same as the old bar, so that's a good thing. At least the packing slip is right. Now, to open this up, this thing has been really packed very well. This comes from a company called American Forestry. They have a store on eBay, and I buy a lot of my stuff from them because they have good products, they ship quickly, and I like them. Never had a problem. There's an open end. Let's see if I can get it to come out of here. There it is. Oh, look at that. That is a thing of beauty right there. Part number is the same. It's got an HY after it. What does that mean? So the original bar doesn't have the HY. It's got the same part number, but I wonder what the HY means. If you know what the HY means, let me know. I'd love to hear what you think that is. But this is really a nicely made piece of equipment here. Before I do anything else, we're going to lay this on the surface plate and make sure that it is in fact perfectly straight. So I can tell right now, I'm looking at this and it is perfectly flat. I'll roll it over, check from this direction. That is perfectly flat. You couldn't slip a piece of paper underneath that. Nope, that is just right. We'll put some grease on it and then get it on the machine. Okay, I've got some little bit of grease on it. I didn't go too crazy. I just wanted to get some of it down in the groove there. Okay, now we are going to walk up to the processor and get this reinstalled. Okay, here we are. Get the chain on there. Get this set in here. Okay. I can sit right there for the time being. Make sure that's still clean, and it is. reach down here and we'll get the chain around the sprocket. Now, in theory, this thing should just slide right in, and there it goes. Okay, so this, because of the way I have the adjuster set, it just popped right in place. So get the nuts back on. Okay, now I just need my screwdriver and my scrunch. I like using a screwdriver for this, more so than the scrunch, because the scrunch is kind of difficult to spin around. So I don't know, let's see if we can get a good picture of this. Alright, so there's my slack right there. And that's fairly loose. I'm going to let it go loose for a few turns, and till the paint wears off, and then I'll retighten it. If you notice, the bar moves when it's not tight. So what you want to do is, after you have gotten all your slack that you want to get, you have to hold the bar up against the studs and get that last little bit of slack out. And like I said, I'm leaving it a little loose on purpose this time. And now we're going to pull the bar up while we tighten it. So I'm going to get my scrunch on here, get that ready, push the bar up, and tighten. Because when the saw pushes down, the pressure on the bar is going that way. So we want to kind of preset that and push the bar up that direction, up against the mounting studs. Okay, so we'll get this get that nice and tight. There we go. You don't need to put the death grip on these. They just need to be snug. Tightening down on them super tight is not going to do you any good. Crank the machine up, and we're going to let this run for just a minute, and then that will be it. I'm turning the oil flow on to full, and we're going to let that pump for a minute until I see oil coming out of the hole. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Okay, that's it. Looks good. It took a minute for the hydraulics to warm up so that the saw would come all the way back up and operate the the switch, I was thinking I might have to adjust this because it was a different contactor block, meaning it was a new contact block that I put in here. And on the bottom of the contact block is a little teeny tiny screw that you can like micro adjust this. I don't know why you would need to do that. I was thinking if I had to adjust this to make it a little bit tighter, I could have done that, but I think it's fine the way it is. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you later.